Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Tune 660 noise cancellation headphones with any Windows PC or laptop. Before the pairing, remember to charge this headset for like 20 minutes and also disconnect from any previously connected devices. And right now all you have to do is just to click on this power button, this one, and simply wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. Now release the button, put it close to your laptop and go to the settings. Right now open Bluetooth and devices on the left side, turn it on with the switcher and click to add device and select Bluetooth device. Now select your JBL Tune, click done. And if you want to use microphone of these headphones, you have to open sound settings and switch for the input device from your microphone, from your laptop microphone to headphones microphone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.